Good evening, viewers. I'm excited. I got my minelab EQUINOX today, so I can go detecting down the beach, hopefully find some jewellery that I can refine. So here's an unboxing. I bought the kit. It came with some scoops and beach scoops and so on, but it also comes with a little 6-inch coil. Now, I've had discussions with people over the EQUINOX. It actually is a very good entry-level gold detector. People say it's not because the standard size coil isn't much good for gold, but when you put the 6-inch coil on, it's very good. And if you go to places where there's lots of rubbish, lots of steel, and a lot of people can't be bothered, they leave, and that's one of the best places to find gold because no one finds it. When you go with this, you put your 6-inch coil on. With the EQUINOX you can single out steel, so you can just detect all day without picking up a little bit of steel. Anyway, so that's the 6-inch coil. Now I'll open up the box to show you what we've got. I don't know why they put the box back to front, but this looks like the usual instructions. As usual, when I don't know where you guys go, you get your detectors, but I get mine from Reed's in Perth, Western Australia, and they also give me a demonstration. Every time I buy a detector, they give me a good demonstration, even like up to half an hour sometimes, on how to use it. So I don't need to worry about the instructions. Put those over here. This is the standard size coil. This is the ultimate treasure hunter, perfect for going down the beach. You may think, well, if this doesn't detect gold, how will I find jewellery? But jewellery has other things in it, like copper, silver, and so on. It's not just gold. But I could still take my little coil down there, it just doesn't cover as much area. The EQUINOX is fully waterproof up to 3 meters. So I'm really excited and can't wait to go down the beach. Not really sure what all these books are, or why I've got two the same. It's rather interesting, but I'll look at these later. In here, what have I got in here? This is the grip. But in this box here is the Bluetooth headphones, and the guy at the shop has already synchronized them to this detector. But this is the jubilaki that your arm sits on, and cord for charging, and what's this? On-off button and sound. Maybe this is the battery. I don't really know. I guess that's what instructions are for. So I'll have a look at that in a minute. And what else is in here? Another cord, and a plastic bag, probably to put my finds in. There might even be a few bags in there. It's pretty heavy. I'd say there's quite a few bags in there. So that's interesting. I'll sort this part out later. So in here, as I said, are my headphones, and they're pretty cool. They look like they're very comfortable. Comes in a nice bag, box, bag, carry case, whatever you call it. Keep them in good nick. Very, very soft. That's like so soft. These will be super comfortable. And I don't know what's in here. Probably a cord in case you don't want to use Bluetooth, I would imagine. Maybe if the batteries go flat or something. There's a USB cord and a cord with 2 jacks. So this will go into that hole and into the detector if the batteries go flat, I would imagine. So that's pretty neat, and I really like this little case that they give you. Keep it in good nick. Might get to go down tomorrow, I hope, and try this out. So that's going to go back like that. however they did it, like that. And that's pretty sturdy. It's a good case though. I like that. And there's my wand. Very, very simple. When the guy did the demonstration, it's so easy to work out. There's your horseshoe, that turns iron off. So you turn that off and you can just hunt all day without picking up nails and whatever. There's pinpoint, and there's just other settings just like other detectors have got. And there's certainly packed these well. Another part of the wand, and then one more. I think that's all that's in the box. I'll look in a minute. So one part that would go down the front because that's got the rose joint for the coil. It'll help put it in the right way. Maybe this has to come off first. I'm not very good at putting puzzles together. Maybe that goes in. Oh, that makes more sense. That goes in there. And then this one here goes in here. There we go. Perfect. And then I can put my coil on here, like so. I'll do that off camera because this is going to take me a bit. As you've seen my other unpacking videos, I wouldn't be able to work for IKEA in a piano kit. So there you go, guys. The minelab EQUINOX. You can buy it in a kit, or you can buy just the detector on its own. The kit, they threw in extras. I've got a sand scoop, a little shovel thingy, and extra coil, and a really good demonstration. A good sales service at Reed's. I like Reed's.
Looks like a smiley face.
Okay, so after just a quick glance at the installation manual, very, very easy to understand. There's my handle, there's the little feet underneath. The coil's on down there, it's ready to go. There was a little strap which I put here to hold this together. So I don't know how well you can see this, but different settings. Where did he push this one here? I think it was. It goes across. So this first one was what was that one? I'll go back and look. So that's park. It's got the tree with the bench, and there's two settings on each one of these. So one's a bit softer than the other. Then there's field with the windmill, like if you're going to do farms and stuff. And then there's beach 1 and beach 2. So if you go on beach 1 and it's just a little bit noisy, you can't quite get it to settle, then you can go to beach 2, and that's the same with all the rest of them as well. And then the last one is rocky ground. So if you're up in the gold fields and so on, you'll notice how this part's missing on the circle. That's because I've already got iron turned off. If I hit that, it'll come back on again. So now it'll detect everything. When I hit that, it'll stop iron and it'll get everything else. And it's that easy. It's very, very simple. One thing I really liked is the charging cord. Super, super simple. It's got this magnet here with the connector, and it just sticks. You don't even have to plug it on or anything. It just sticks to the back of this. I'll upend it so you can have a look. Onto here. It just sticks on there with the magnet. Super, super easy. I mean, I've never seen anything so easy. And I'm really stoked with this. I think that's great. So there you go, Equinox 800. Thank you. So there you go. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.